everyone. Good afternoon to India. Or it's already good morning there. Okay, it's a very early good morning for me. I'm in currently Netherlands. My name is Neil Madha Mishra. I'm working as a solution architect as well as product owner in one of the bank in Netherlands known as ABN AMRO Bank. And we are a crew of senior architects who are doing the digital transformation for the bank with respect to Azure and other cloud solutions. So I'm leading that group who is taking care of various solutioning and proposition of various proposals and dealing them with various customers within the bank, how they can easily move towards cloud. Yeah, I have been recently contacted by Multi-Cloud for you for presenting the story towards this community where we can share, we can talk about more on public cloud and yeah, then the interesting part and it is more towards data. Then I thought like okay, let's discuss about various data integrations that is currently happening across the world with serverless capabilities and with the most powerful services or service which has been provided by Azure known as Azure Data Factory. So that is the topic of the day, how to do the serverless data integration with Azure Data Factory integration runtime. You can hear a lot of keywords, right? Serverless, data integrations, integration runtime, Azure Data Factory. Don't worry about it. I'm going to cover all of these keywords slowly, starting from scratch. You do not need to understand each and everything, before we are going to talk about it, because I will try to cover from a very easy sample scenario how and why this topic is needed, and then we'll try to deep dive into various use cases and also solutions that integration runtime provides you. So stay tuned with me and keep focusing, and then we'll definitely cover. You'll gain a lot at the end with respect to integration runtime. So the first, hold on a second, why it is not moving? Yes. So what is Azure Data Factory? Why exactly we need to understand that? Is the first keyword, right? What is Azure Data Factory? So let's try to understand various real-time use cases and why do we need a kind of data-related activities with or within the cloud world. So you can think about these days you are using various social medias and like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, and also there are many others which are currently available in the market, and you simply install it in your machine. And once you install it in your machine, in the sense your laptop or with your mobile phone, then you generally, when you install it by clicking next and next and next, you find some accept button, right? Okay, there is a big paragraph which is coming where it is asking, okay, can I access your camera? Can I access your microphone? Can I access your speakerphone? Then generally, as you want to use, you can think about Instagram, you want to do the reel, you want to do a kind of status update, you have to give access, right? And you do not read through all the condition what they have written, and we generally accept it, right? And then once you accept, then that particular capabilities or that particular app is getting installed in your mobile phone. And once that is getting installed, if you try to observe, if you have a digital workspace within your house, that means you have your Wi-Fi, you have your TV, which is a kind of smart TV which is connected to Wi-Fi, and you speak to your wife or your friend or your parents like, okay, we should buy some goods for our furniture for our house, or we have to buy some electric machines like refrigerator for our house. If you observe it, then in YouTube, if you go to your YouTube and if you have a non-paid version of YouTube, then you will start getting those advertises. Okay, you will find, okay, this is a new furniture store which is available in your city. Then the question you must be thinking, why and how? How somebody is listening to me what I'm talking at home. It can be, as I said, like, these are all small examples. There are large set of examples which are currently available. Then, that